There'll be times in Excel where you want to, rather than have to re-enter data or copy and paste, you want to automate your worksheets so that data, when it alters in one area, gets updated somewhere else. So for example, if I look at this combined regions worksheet, you can see here I have two entries, total sales Q1 and a widget cost. What I want to do here for the total sales Q1 is I want to take this figure here and I want it to automatically populate in here so that at any time if the Q1 figures here change and this total updates, this detail here will update as well. So it's quite simple and it's called linking cells, but often we make it harder than it needs to be. So the first thing I'm going to do is type in an equal sign because this is where I want the answer to go. And I'm going to click on Q1. And this is the number that I want to add in. You can see up on the formula bar it says Q1 exclamation mark. That's telling you that's the name of one of these worksheet tabs. I'm simply going to click enter. So now we have a number in there, and if at any point in time in Q1 one of these numbers changes, you can see here that this total's updated and so is this one here. So that's a link that operates within a workbook. There'll be times where you actually want to have some data populate and it comes from another workbook. Now there are a little troubleshooting things you need to know. This link will continue to work as long as the file names stay the same and they're not moved at all. Otherwise the links will be broken, and you may have seen from time to time a message that comes up on screen saying it cannot update the links. So we're clicking down the bottom here. I already have the other file open, and here's some widget information, which is just a summary of all these product items here. And basically I want this number to be placed in here. So the first thing I need to do is type in an equal sign in the area I want the answer to be in. Go to the other file and click on the cell. This is best done when you've got the spreadsheets open. You can see up on the formula bar it's got Intro Excel Exercises 2.xls and that's in square brackets. That's telling me that's the name of a file. And you'll see 1B with the exclamation mark is the name of the worksheet tab, and E16 is the cell. I'll just press enter. It's now put our value in there, and at any point in time, if this number changes, you can see it updates here. And if I come back to my worksheet, it updates here as well. So that's working with links in Excel 2016.